So in this Zillow tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the Max HOA filters here on Zillow. So the first thing you have to do once you have the Zillow application opened up on your device is to go to the bottom left and press on the search icon. Then go to the top right besides the search bar and press on the filters icon or the three vertical lines. Now you're on the filter screen, simply just scroll down to the bottom, scroll down quite a bit here until you get past the schools option to where it says Max HOA. And if you go ahead and just press on any right here, you get a drop down menu. So you can make it so that there's no HOA fee when you're searching for homes. You can make it so that it's $100 a month, $200 a month, whatever the case may be, all the way up to $2,000 a month. And once that is done, for example, I'll just do $2,000 a month. I'll press on done. Then go to the bottom, press on see results. And now when you're searching, you can now see the HOA filters that you've added to your listings here on Zillow. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can edit the Max HOA filters here on Zillow. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.